Courage, first annual fishing trip. Preston's ready, and Cameron ain't never been, have you?
Nope.
So this is our first trip with Cameron, so he's excited.
It is about being a hero, being a firefighter. I mean, anything like that. Police officer, firefighter, paramedic, but firefighters are the first ones on the scene, and they're pulling the burn patients out of the fire. They just have that bond with the burn patients that it's really hard for other people to connect with.
Look up here. He got you over too.
Sure, we're so
Yes.
excited.
Coolest.
Cool kids went canoeing. The other ones went fishing.
And grown-ups.
Grown-ups, yeah.
Got 3 of them, man. There's 1. You're gonna got 2. Do it. You got all 3 of them going, man. It's a big day. Also Ryan. Ryan's on the boat today.
We're going on a hike. If y'all see smoke, send help. Appreciate it.
I don't care about myself more. I care about other people more than I do myself.
How about me?
I love you.
All right, never mind. Let's go on. We can leave that. Some swimmers coming in. They've been out there all day. They've been snorkeling and all kind of fun stuff, but we're still at the beach, having a blast.
We got survivors and firefighters here.
What's up, my friends?
Fishing all day long. It's the Ryan way.
Mamas and daddies, send more money next year. We're playing spades.
Got a game of spades going on.
But we've seen the sea lion show, which was good. The dolphins.
Great stash.
I really enjoy my job. I enjoy helping people, and it's cool to come out here and spend time with these kids and see a different aspect of it, see the other side.
How you feeling, Trenton? How your arms feeling? You hanging tight? Look at that. He's got it, man. That's a beauty right there. Wow, nice.
On Glass Bottom Boat Adventures. There's Miss Dawn. Yeah.
I'm excited.
Riding the dolphins.
I loved it. I really had fun.
Thing was getting to hold on to their fins and diving with them.
The best thing was being able to hear them talk to us when we were diving with them. That was pretty cool.
Awesome.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Caught 2 blackfin tunas. Woo! Then we proceeded to catch many mahi.
If there's one program that I've gotten behind, Catching Courage is absolutely one of the best that I've ever been with, and I've done a bunch of them. This program here is done wonders for these kids, as well as the relationship between kids and the burn kids and the firemen. Our job stops the moment any burn patient leaves the fire scene. We don't usually get to talk to them again unless they come by the station. We don't ever get to see them again. So this program allows us to reconnect to some of those people, whether they be with us or with our fire department or a burn survivor from a completely different city. We're still making connection to someone we helped out of a fire. And that's huge. That's absolutely huge.
Pay attention.
All right, guys.
Jada,
Surely you're not talking to the fireman.
I was talking to
To say just one person that was catching the most, who would that have been?
Oh, that would have been Jada.
Right
Jada
right
was
there. was catching the most.
She was the angler of the day.
Slaying them, just
Slaying them left and right.
hooking them, hooking.
Wore 'em out.
That's what I'm
Now,
talking
if you want to ask Kyle about fishing, he'll have a different story.
Fully involved fire because you know that if anybody, but I would do it for you.
But you know what? We all are that way towards each other. It's just firemen.
I just want to thank all the firefighters, the paramedics, just everybody, police officers and everything. I know that firefighters do have a very close place in my heart. My dad is a firefighter, and he went through just as much as I did with not being able to go up to the hospital, having to stay with my sisters. I think that was the hardest thing. And just having the firefighters there and the support system with camp, and it's just amazing on what firefighters do.
We have 6 survivors that came with us and 7 firefighters that we just adore. We've teamed up these 2 groups, and we think it is a perfect matchup. Y'all and us, and the partnership, I think, is going to work really well.
We cannot wait till next year. More catching courage.
Outstanding.